going to be doing a side ponytail with extensions. If you guys are interested, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you can't comment, go to my Instagram and just DM me. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into this video. So as you see, my hair is poofy and still curly at the moment. I'm going to put my hair in a ponytail and do my edges, as you're going to see in the next clip. Here I'm just showing you guys what I used to put on my bun. I used the Honey Beeswax and I used the brown gel. You can use anything just to hold your hair up, but these are the two things I use for this tutorial. Now we're going to start braiding the hair, the ponytail. So you want to braid the ponytail, and I'm going to put a rubber band at the end of my hair. Extensions I'm going to be using is Expressions. These are just braiding hair, so that's what I'm going to use. The number on this one is 4. It's on number 4, but I'm going to use a number 2 because it's basically close to my hair color. Now I used this hair before, so it's already stretched out. So when you take your hair out the package, you want to stretch your hair, or else your ponytail will be thick and too fluffy. But this is how I tie the braiding hair. I wrap the scrunchie over the braiding hair, and then I tying it up into a loop. So you want to connect the braiding hair to your braid and wrap the scrunchie 2 times. Then after that, you want to start braiding your hair. Now I'm going to braid my hair a little loose because afterwards I'm going to start fluffing it. Also, you can see the top part of my hair is a little, sticking out. We're going to fix that later on the video. So just stay tuned for that part. Next, you want to add accessories to your hair, which is going to fix all the sticking out hairs. I use these 2 beads. I'm going to use the brown one because it's more brighter. So I'm going to use that on my braid. And all you want to do is stick it inside your hair. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much the tutorial. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.